Hello guys, back to this course, to Golang Microservices full course, and then now we are going to talk about the unit testing and mocking the database. And in the previous video we do the soft delete and then also the pagination and sorting, but now we are going to do the unit testing for the API that we have. And let's do that, because the last episode we no need to have the explanation, right? Okay, so now I was do the pull origin master. If you are not yet doing this, please do. Okay, then we are going to do the unit testing. Okay, what is unit testing? Basically, unit testing is ensure the quality code, and then after that we are doing the mocking. Mocking is act like a database connection, but we are not doing connect directly to the database, but we create the mock to act like the data in the database. Yeah, okay, and then we will do this right now. First we need to install the testify. So go get the github.com stretch chr/testify. If you want go package dev, if we are not sure what we do, then testify can do. Go to the package.co, and this is the mocking. We copy, should be like this. Go get github.com. Yeah, this should wait. Okay, should be not the mock, but okay, wait, go get, I think how to I think already, already testify. Okay, should be testify, and yeah, I think the testify and mock is also okay. I think, yeah, we try with the create the mock repository in the user internal and user repository. We create a mock repository .go and package repository, and then we create a type mock user repository struct mock, and then func mock user repository should create ctx context, and then model dot wait, not the ledger, but model should be user. Okay, control space user, then error and arch and dot called context and u, and then return args dot error 0. Okay, and then we do the mock func user ptx context convert not to convert db, I'm sorry, should call context, and then tx should be sql.tx, and then model user model user error, and then we go to args called ctx tx, and u. And then after that, get by id should be get by id. First we do the mock user repository, get by id should be string, and then model user and error, and I'm called ctx id, and then we do if args.get 0 equal nil, it should be return nil, and args.error 1. Okay, then args.get 0, args.get 0 and model user and args error 1. Okay, this should be okay. And then we paste the email, get by email, and we check the code. Get by email is context, email is string, and model user error, and this should be okay. And then we go with this as well. If args.get 0 equal nil, return nil, args.error, and then this one should be okay. Go to the next function, mock user repo, it should be update, and like this I think should be okay. Mock context model user error, and go ctx to u args error 0. Okay, and then the update tx sql tx, and then do we have update tx? No, we don't have update tx in here, so we soft delete, and this should be id only, id string and error, and call gtx dot id comma id and return args comma dot error. Okay, and then we create a mock wallet repo, mock wallet, mock repository.go, and then I think we copy paste, can or not, think we can copy something here, and package repo, and then should be wallet, and here mock wallet, mock user. Okay, mock user change to mock wallet repo, and then create tx. In here we have a create tx. Okay, we delete the create, and we use the create tx context tx sexual, it should be model.wallet, and error gtx, yeah, like this. And then the get by id, get by user id, I think get by user id, in here we check, in here we have get by user id, so we need to pass the context, and then only user id string, user id as a string, and then we return the model.wallet and error, and then args m.coach context user id, and if error, we copy from here, we copy paste from here, and if error, we do the model wallet should be args error equal 1, and then update balance tx, this should be update balance, and context tx sql tx wallet id, new balance, current version, integer, error, and the args m call gtx tx wallet, new balance, current version, and return args. Okay, this one should be okay. And then we create the unit test for the register. We do in the internal user and service, and then service underscore test and .go. This one we can do the package service, and func test register success t equal testing dot t and initiate repositories, mock repositories, and here mock user repo, new user repo. Wait, we should import repository. User repo should be user repo, and here user repo dot mock user repository and mock wallet repo should be new wallet repo here. Okay, wallet repo we import here, and then we no need real SQL DB connection, so we send nil svc equal to new user service nil mock user repo and mock wallet repo, and then this user as in GitHub in I'm gonna enter new user quick fix. Wait, declare missing method. What is here mean? In here, wait, mock user repo and mock wallet repo. What is the problem? Declare and not use. In svc we do the GTX should be context.todo and request user model should be imported, user model, and dot create user request, and with data we try full name should be John Doe, and email can be johndoe@example.com, and then password can be secret password, and then we need to expect mock, and here we try mock user repo dot on get by email to context john.doe@example.com should be returned the nil and errors new user not found. Okay, I think we test first, but we need to comment this one. Wait, no, mock user dot repo. Okay, let me check. Go test. Command for go test is what in Golang. Okay, we do go test here -v dot and no test file, and test register success is okay and pass, but we cannot do this only like this. We cannot, yeah. So we create SQLDB for mock because we simulate the real transaction SQL. So we go get github.com, we can do Datadog and go SQL mock. Okay, in here we test register success, we create SQL mock db mock and error equal to SQL mock dot new, and then if error not nil, it should be t dot fatal f, and error %s, and was not expected when opening a stub database connection. Paste the error, and then we go to defer db.close, and then mock user, mock wallet repo, we still need this, and the svc, we need the db, so we do the mock db mock db, sorry, the db, correct. And then ctx context to do, this should be okay, and then we do expect SQL transaction, here db mock, expect begin, and db mock expect commit. Okay, expectation first is return nil, get by email contoh, return nil, errors, new error, user not found should be okay, and then the second one is mock user repo should be on critx, on critx we do the ctx and mock dot anything, and then mock dot anything and return nil, and then mock wallet repo on critx, mock anything and return nil. Okay, and then expected user should be user model dot user, and id some uid, and then full name should be rec dot full name, and email should be rec dot email. Okay, then mock user repo on get by id context mock dot anything and return expected user and nil, and we do the the function, run the function user error svc dot register context request. I sometimes don't like this one, and verify result should be assert no error for the error, and assert not nil the user and assert equal the t rec dot full name should be same as user dot full name. Yeah, then assert dot equal t rec dot email should be user dot email. Make sure all mock if code and expected. Okay, first mock user repo dot assert expectation t mock wallet repo assert expectations t assert no error t db mock dot expectation were met. Okay, we try to add new function. Wait, we try first this one. You with the code test min sv. Okay. Cannot use mock repo variable. Wait a second. Need to check with only this file first. Internal user service dot. Okay, we check this one and go to here. Service. Oh wait, did I not save this one? Get avatar. Wait. Cannot use mock repo. Update avatar is okay. Oh yeah, this one should be update avatar. Don't use panic, I think. I mean, yeah. We forgot to add avatar. Mock user repository should be update avatar, and this one can use. This one should be okay now, and we try the test. We have an error. Can you please check? Wait, service dot test. Can you please check? We ask the AI Gemini what is the error of this code. Okay, we forgot to create the context in here. We forgot to add the context, so this got an error. Okay, I think this should be okay. We try again. Yeah, this should be passed because we forgot to pass the context. And now we create another function to test, which is test register email already exists, and then db underscore and then defer db close. We don't need this one. We make it simple. Mock user, new user, mock user report to do, create user, John Doe, example expect mock, and user, existing user. We should have existing user here. We copy and existing user email already in that db, like existing user equal to user model and user should be not with password. It should okay. Then we mock user repo dot on get by email return existing user and nil, and then we run the function which is user error svc.register and verify the result should be error and no return the user object. First, assert error should be the error and assert nil the user, and assert equal user already registered. So okay, this one, okay, wait, we test this one, and then we have a user with this email as already registered, but this email already registered is the okay, we should change, and then we go test again, and then already pass. Okay, so I think that's all in here. Use in this current tutorial, but I think we doesn't cover the other, but I will ask the AI to please continue. Yeah, so this should be 011 feature 011.unit testing. Okay, I think I will generate this first. Go mod tidy. After this I need to commit go mod tidy, and then I generate again from SQL mod to dependencies, and then please continue the unit test based on our existing unit test here, service test go, and please cover all of our domain. Thank you. Okay, we try here and we check what is they are doing, because we need to do the testing, the plan to cover, they create the test profile, success, submit, and okay, we try again, service test, internal user service, they create a test get profile not found, test get update profile success, and get update failure, and then login, invalid credential. We try first, we go test internal service, and all is pass. I think that's good. And I want to, what is coverage out? Here I need to discard changes, move to trash, I don't want it, and generate. Okay, commit first, and then I need the other, which is the user transaction. I need the test also for unit test, also for wallet transaction, logger maybe, no, ledger, yeah, ledger, else, wait, ledger, maybe if I miss something, please also you tell me, and please add the unit test as well. Thank you. Okay, we wait until this AI done, because the service should be have service test wallet mock repository. We should have a mock repository and service test. Wallet we have mock repository, but we don't have service test yet. You can try to ask your AI to do this, but if you want to copy paste, just copy paste from our GitHub repo. Yeah, I think that's all for now. I will push this to the branch and then I will merge, pull rec and then merge again, and I think you have already know how to do that, and I think this video should be end right now. Okay, right, just see how the AI doing in our repo lah. Thank you. See you next.